Hello everyone, StylesbyLailani is here bringing you the natural styles of life. And today I am measuring up my light water solution. Here I have my Yoni herbs blend in my aloe vera juice. So I made it like a tea, let it cool. I'm adding my apple cider vinegar. Yes, this is my light water blend that I'm doing. This is now my liquid oils I am filling up. First off, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share. Okay, if you are interested in seeing me make my all natural bath and body care, oh yeah, that's shea butter. I also melted my shea butter down because when shea butter gets too hot and manipulated, yeah, it doesn't do well. So don't overheat your shea butter. Now I'm adding my coconut oil because coconut oil melts fast. So that really wasn't too much. But anyway, if you are interested in watching me make my soap, we are making an all natural Yoni bar. Y'all know our Yonis is special. We got to keep it nice and cute and clean. So yeah, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Hello everyone, StylesbyLailani is here bringing you the natural styles of life. And today we are making a Yoni all natural herb soap. Here y'all caught me pouring my lavender in with my essential oil blend. This is an all natural essential oil soap. And it's made with aloe vera juice, apple cider vinegar, shea butter, and more. Okay, I am kind of rushing because I am behind time, but it's not going to take me long to make this soap here. Make sure y'all like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you are interested in how I make my all natural Yoni herb soap, you know, for our lady parts, you know, we can't use that much down there. We need all natural, no preservatives. Okay, so if you are interested in seeing how I make this soap, make sure you subscribe to the channel, comment down below, and like this video with the bell so y'all can be notified whenever I post again. Okay, so with that being said, let's get started. These are my liquid oils and butters. I haven't added my additives yet. This is my light water blend that also includes apple cider vinegar. These are my melted oils and butters. We're not performing the heat transfer method today. We are doing all natural color soap. So now I am about to put my additives in here, so then I can start blending it up, and we're gonna get going like that. Okay, y'all, I hope y'all are having a great, blessed day. My day is going well. Just being a business owner, it gets kind of overwhelming at times, y'all. It's doable, but it does get overwhelming. Y'all, and then my office is a mess, y'all. Send help, send help. I'm sorry, I got loud right there. But here I'm just adding my additives in, and we're gonna give this a good blending. I'm trying to work on cleaning up as I make my soap, because as we know, it can get a quite bit messy up in here. Okay, quite bit messy. Okay, family, now we are about to add our melted liquid oils and butters. Y'all, this is so beautiful. Did y'all know that shea butter contains vitamin A and E. So it makes it very rejuvenating, conditioning, brings life back into your skin when you use shea butter in any of your products. It brings life back to your skin, hair, and nails, y'all. Okay, so we have to scrape the rest of this off of here. Okay, I'm gonna spin this around. We're gonna blend it up a little bit, y'all. Like I say, we want to make sure everything is nice and intact. I really might have to transfer this into a wider jar. Give me a second, y'all. Okay, family. I had to get a bigger container. That was kind of... I just trying to make sure everything is all well incorporated in. Okay. And another thing we will be adding is our Greek yogurt, guys. Yes, I am putting some Greek yogurt in. I'm gonna add it in after I put in my lye water solution. Here we will be pouring in our lye. The natural smell of this smells so relaxing. I guess because the herb blend I used. Okay, now we will add our yogurts. I already have my yogurt measured out. Now we will give that a good blending. Yeah, this gonna be a little quick one. I ain't gonna break it up. I'm gonna leave it all whole, okay? Okay, so now we're gonna mix up our essential oils. Here you go, y'all. Found it. Let's get a little video. So this is rose geranium and lavender. Both of those are healing essential oils. One of my fragrances is rising. I can tell it's rising now because look. You see how it's separating? Okay, guys, so at this point, I had to just keep stirring, so that everything did not separate. So I used my whisk for quite a bit. I actually edited a lot of this part out because it was a long process due to how everything was trying to separate. I just had to keep everything moving. So I was thinking like, let me go back in with my stick blender just to find out my stick blender was dead. So it's good to keep a backup stick blender, y'all. That's key. Alright, y'all. So I had to go get my backup blender. Cause yeah. Blending it so everything can get all incorporated. Okay, so you guys see that it's not separating. It's like a creamy texture now. So this is what I achieved as I kept blending, guys. So this was the texture at first. Y'all can see it's like grainy and separating. This is the texture now. It's ultra smooth. It's not grainy. It's almost to the consistency I want to, so we can pour. But since this is one color, I am trying to achieve, hold on, y'all. Okay, guys, I got it to the consistency I want it, and now we are about to pour this baby right up in the mold. I'm gonna scoop this to the side and pour. Oh, y'all see that? I always make a mess. Always, y'all. Why? Why is that? Why do I always make a mess? Did it fall down? Okay, we're gonna scoop these to the side. Okay, so now we're about to texture the top and we will be done, y'all. It's not ready yet. It's not ready yet. Not a lot, baby girl, just a little bit. Alright, y'all. That's it for this video. Make sure y'all stay tuned so y'all see when I drop the soap. Not drop the soap, girl. Not drop the soap. Yes, when this soap drops on my website, y'all. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all go over to StylesbyLailani.com so y'all can be subscribed to my newsletter. Get subscribed to the newsletter, okay? So y'all see when this soap drops in the store. And make sure y'all hit that notification bell so y'all see when this soap cut drops, okay? Okay, y'all. See ya.